Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can play Mario Kart World multiplayer on the Nintendo Switch 2. So for this you will need to first unpair both of your Joy-Cons and then click on the settings here for the Joy-Cons themselves on your Nintendo Switch 2, and once you click on them you will click on change grip/order, and now you want to get the first controller here, press on it, and then you will press on these two buttons at the top, the ones that you can see. Now we have paired one of the controllers. We will repeat the same process for the second one as well. Click on the X button or any button to activate the controller, and then you will press on these two buttons here. Alright, so once you have done this, you can go back. So I'm just gonna press the B button to go back here, and we have both controllers connected, as you can see. So it's gonna go back. Alright, I'll just repeat the process like so. Okay, and now we can confirm this and click on OK. Okay, so once you go back, you will go into Mario Kart World. You will just load up the game, choose your profile like so. That's me. Hello. And you just want to wait for the game to load. Once you have the game loaded, you will press the L plus right buttons, which we just paired, and it's gonna be this one. Boom. Now you can go and play multiplayer. You just gotta select the multiplayer option. I'm gonna go back. Okay, gonna go back, and you will click on multiplayer, this one, if I manage to. Okay, here it is, and you will click on 2 players, and now as you can see it detects both controllers. So you will press the A button once you're ready, boom, and now you can choose the mode which you want to play, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.